Beanie's gonna dance on my arm. Here's his little dance. There he goes. Oh, he loves to do a little dance. It's so cute. You gonna dance some more? Hmm? You gonna dance more, BB? Hmm? No? He knows he's on camera. Don't you? Oh, I need to give him a little spray mist today. You gonna dance anymore? Well, he showed you one. He did it right at the very beginning, and that was all. Okay, well, thank you. Please, and hi, everybody. We love all of you, and please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help us buy food for Beanie and me, or that would be great. Okay, bye bye. We love you.